So with how the backhoe was starting weird the other day, I pulled the batteries out and disassembled the battery box. Um, and the good news is it seems like it was more a matter of a bad connection than it was the batteries being shithoused. But I added an Anderson connector to it because, that's a good idea to do anyways. And I got, the little door hinge on there like so, and that will just sit in there like so, and then obviously that's a little tiny like trickle charger deal. And then for the moment anyways, I'm just draping it over the backhoe like that. um, and then I'll get around to hooking up the block heater and the trickle charger together. But this also would be cool too, because then now we have an Anderson on the backhoe. But also too, if I wanted to have the trickle charger going without the block heater. Anyways, yeah, I did that.